Yes,
Which one?
hello.
Sum of two matrices.
No, sir. Multiplication.
Multiple
Multiplication.
multiplication. You want to see?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
I was confused when I did it.
Okay. Shall I explain this one more time?
Once, sir, please.
Okay, sure. See here. Uh, so first of all, we have taken some variables. Forget about variables. At some time, we will take based on the requirement. We will take now. Let us see our
Yes.
requirements. First of all, you keep an eye from here onwards. Later on, we can fill all these things. You can fill later on. First,
Yes.
start from here. First, what is required for first matrix? You need rows and columns.
Columns.
Okay. So enter the number of rows and columns of matrix.
Columns.
First
Yes.
matrix, rows and columns I'm entering. So for example, I have entered m is equal to 3 and n is also equal to 3. Okay. M is equal to 3 and n is also equal to 3. Then what is
3.
happening? Tell me. After that, what is happening?
Enter the
Enter the
elements of
elements
first.
of first matrix. Any
Yes.
problem in this for loop? Try to understand. Any problem in this for loop? Need to explain or can you understand? Tell me.
Understood. Oh,
If you want, tell me. I will explain this also.
understood.
Yeah. So whatever the elements you are accepting from keyboard or not, see.
From
So
keyboard.
first element will reach the address of first of 0 by 0.
0 by 0.
Because first time C is 0, D is 0, na became true and you got
Yes.
in. I told na on that day college gate, inner gate. I told
Yes, sir.
like that. Yeah. Next time 0 by 1. Next time 0 by 2. So like this, all the elements are inserted. Up to here, no problem, na.
No
So
problem.
this is the first matrix. So you have declared the first matrix for that matter. You know this step. You know M and N also. You know M and N also.
Yes.
You know first matrix. Similarly, second matrix is also required now. That is also declared.
Yes, sir.
And resultant matrix is also required now. That's why I have gone with three matrices
No.
being declared.
Okay, sir.
This step you can do. Nothing great in that.
Yes.
This step. In this step, M and N are required. Instead of IJ, KL, instead of IJ, first matrix, rows and columns, I have taken PQ.
M
I mean,
and N.
inside for loop, for the sake of for loop I have taken.
Okay,
First
sir.
matrix, first matrix MN I have taken, MN.
Yes.
MN and CD I have taken, CD.
CD.
In place of
For
IJ, what I have taken? CD.
CD.
In place of ij because for loop should start na I is equal to 0, 0
Yes,
is less
sir.
than m like that. So for the sake of that, in place of I and j, I have taken c and d. Is it not?
Yes.
And for the sake of m and n, I have taken mn variables also I
Mm.
declared earlier. Mn are the rows and columns. These are the actual rows and columns. M, n. And cd instead of I and j, I have taken. So I entered all the elements. Afterwards, what I have done. So you know M N C D. And what about PQ? Second matrix is there now. Second matrix rows
Yes,
and
sir.
columns. That is PQ.
Rows and column.
First
Yes.
matrix MN. Second matrix PQ. Able to
PQ.
understand? First matrix is
Understood.
MN rows columns. Second matrix rows columns PQ. Now,
PQ.
if I
Yes.
type, if you know this logic, I need not explain. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
If they are not equal, what is going
Not
to
equal.
happen? If they are not equal, what is going to happen?
We can't
Matrix is
multiply.
not conformable for multiplication because
Yes, sir.
first matrix columns should be equal to second matrix rows.
Rows.
But not equal means what? Not equal means what? This is first matrix
Can't
columns. This is first
multiply.
matrix column or not? Tell me. Is this
Yes, sir.
first matrix column? MN. Yeah.
Yes.
Next matrix row means PQ. P is the row, na? P
Yes.
is the row. First matrix column is
P.
n. First
N.
matrix column is n. Column representation is
N.
n. And second matrix row representation is p. N is not equal to
P.
p. How can you multiply? You cannot multiply, no. That's why
S.
I'm going with else path. That's why I'm going with else path. Inside else path, what is done? Please see. Enter the elements of
Enter the elements of second
if
matrix.
n is equal to p, because I have gone with a matrix which is conformable for multiplication. Both the matrices are having something like 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Confirm na 3 by 4, 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because first matrix columns are equal to second matrix rows. Yes. So here it is working in else path now. Huh? It is
Yes,
working
sir.
in else path. In else path, what is given? Second matrix elements you are entering. I told na second matrix also
M
in place of ij, cd I have taken.
CD.
Just like first matrix ij, in place of
Okay.
ij, cd I have taken. PQ are nothing but rows and columns of second matrix.
Columns.
So up to
Yes.
here it is okay. Second matrix also you entered. This part of the code okay now.
Okay.
Now let us
Understood.
come down. Now let us come down. Next for loop. This is the main logic. You have to focus on this one. This is very
Yes, sir.
important. Heart. This is the heart
There
of the
only I
code.
confused.
Here only you will get confusion. See. Now if you are
Yes.
having paper, piece of paper, are you having? Take two matrices. I will tell. If you are
One
having
minute.
piece of paper, yes. Piece of paper is required. Scribbling paper is required for this.
Yes, sir.
Now take two matrices with names first and second. First matrix 3 by 3. Second matrix also 3 by 3 you take.
Okay.
Okay. Now, first C is equal to 0. First matrix row column representation is what? M and N. You write M is equal to 3, N is equal to 3. Second matrix P is equal to 3, Q is also equal to
Use
3. 3.
3.
Right. Now, what is left here? CD. CD means already I have given here. C is 0. First
Yes, sir.
outermost. So totally how many loops are there? 3 loops are there.
3
What is the
loops.
outermost loop? Tell me. C is equal to 0.
Equal to 0.
True or false? Tell me. You have taken M, Q also.
True.
M, N, P, Q, or not?
Yes.
M is 3, N is 3, P is
N
3,
is
Q also 3
use
only.
also 3.
All are 3 only. Now tell me. Now tell me. C is less than M. True or false?
True.
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 True means true means what is going to happen? Tell me.
Then next loop will
Inner middle loop will get executed. Don't forget C is 0. Please record in your paper. C is 0. Current
yes.
value is 0. After updation, we will add 1 to that later on. Now D is also 0. Please record the D value. D is also 0. D is less than 3. True
Yes.
or false? True, na?
True, sir.
Next innermost loop. Go to the innermost loop. K is equal to 0. True
A
or
equal to
false?
0.
True or
True.
false? True.
True.
So now execute that statement given. First off, C is 0, K is 0. First off 0 by 0.
Yes,
What is
sir.
there? Tell me. First off 0 by 0. What is there? Tell me.
One.
In your
One.
matrix. I don't know which matrix you have taken. 1,
One.
fine, fine.
Yes.
1 into second of 0 by 0. What is there? Tell me.
9.
9. 9 into 1, how much?
9.
9 plus sum. Sum is initially what? 0 or not? We have initialized
0.
sum 0. Yeah. So these kind of things always sum is 0 initially. So 9 plus 0 is 9 or not? Record that sum value, recent sum value. Sum is
Yes,
0,
sir.
sum is 9 or not?
Sum is 9.
Now increment k value. K is 1. You are in
Yes.
the innermost loop, na? K is 1. 1 is less than 1 is less than what is P? 3. 3, na?
P 3.
1 is less than 3.
Yes.
True or false? True or false?
True.
True. Again get inside. Now tell me. Now execute that statement. What is sum? 9. 9 plus first of CK. C is what? 0. K is what? 1. 0 by 1. What is there in 0? 0 by 1 position? Tell me.
4.
0 by 1. 4 is there? Okay.
4.
4 into
Yes.
4 into what is the second one? Second of 0 by 0 by D is what? 0
8.
only. D is 0. K is 1. 1 by 0. 1 by 0. 1 by
1.
0, what is there?
8.
Multiply those two, first and second. What do you get?
32.
Plus, what is the previous
32.
sum? 32 plus previous
9.
sum is 9. 32
9.
plus 9, 41.
41.
See,
Yes.
normally you multiply whether you are getting first element as that or not. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me that.
Sir.
Normally, if you multiply two matrices, are you getting same output or not? Tell me, first element. Huh?
Same output means
I mean, some, what is there inside some? No. Wait. Just 1 minute. I will take pen and the paper and I will try. Sir, pen and paper. ఏదోటి రెడ్ కనపడదు కదా సార్ ఇక్కడ వైట్ పేపర్ ఒకటి see you just tell your matrices I will also write you will check combinedly చాలా వేస్ట్ పేపర్స్ ఏదోటి లోపల ఉంటాయి నేను తెచ్చుకుంటాలే వద్దులే ఇంతసేపు దానికి అట్లా అట్లాంటి పనికి ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి just a minute you tell your numbers I will write you tell what is it taken first matrix
first matrix 1 to 9.
wait first one 1 to 9 elements you have taken
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 okay next matrix second
9 to
matrix
1.
9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 okay fine
Yes.
now tell see the logic again k is 0 na innermost loop
Yes.
let us record c is 0 initially d is also 0 k is also 0 now tell mqp are what mqp they're all equal to 3 only
Yes.
3 only huh?
Yes.
Yes
Yes.
now tell first
K
iteration first of sum is 0
0
0
0
plus 0 plus 0 plus
0
first
9
of 0 by 0 first of 0 by 0 what is there 1 is there now
ones. Yes.
1 plus 1 sorry 1 into
1
1 into
into
second of 0 by 0 what is there 9 is there now
9.
9
Yes.
tell what will happen 1
9.
0 plus
Sum
1
will
into
become
9 sum will become 9 fine next iteration tell me next iteration
K.
first
First
is
of
9 first of c is
0
c 0 by 1 k
0
1
by
na
1.
k is 1 na next time
Yes,
k
sir.
became 1 so 9 plus first of 0 by sorry 0 by
0 by
1
1.
0 by 1 means what is there 0 by 1 what is there 2 is there 2 2 is there now
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 into what second of 1 by 0
1
1 by
0
0 what is there second of 1 by 0 what is there
6.
exactly 6 now you went correct 6 to 12 12 plus 9 12 plus 9
Sir.
12 plus 9 na previous
9.
one 9
Yes, sir.
what will
21.
happen 21 okay 21 you got next time k will become
3.
2 na
Sorry, 2,
2
sir.
2
2.
yeah k is 2 2 is less than p is 3 na true na so
Yes.
again you got
True.
inside 21 plus what do you get now tell me what do you
3
get first
into
of 21
7.
plus
Sir,
21
3
plus
into 3.
c of c means how much 0 0 by 2 0 by 2 means what 3
0
is
by
there 3
3, sir.
into 3 into 3
3.
9
Yes, sir.
21 plus 9 how much you are getting 30
30.
normally if you multiply also are you getting 30 or not as the first one
Yes, sir.
because it will loop will fail now next time loop is going to fail or not
Yes.
now it will come down come down means what multiply of cd you tell now multiply of cd means what c is
30.
0 d is also 0 0 by 0
0.
position what is there 30 is there yes or no
30.
that is there
Yes.
it is recorded now next tell next what is the iteration d will become 1 D will become 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
D, once D
C.
becomes 1. Now tell again. Now tell. C is still 0 only.
Yes,
You
sir.
go to middle loop, la? Middle loop.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
go to
Yes.
outer loop. Yeah.
Again, K will become
K will become,
0.
K will become 0. 1 by 0, what is there? Tell me. 1 by 0, what is there?
First 0 by 0 now.
First, C is 0, na? Yeah. 0 by K is 0.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, true. That is
1.
what? 1. Okay, fine.
1.
0 plus 1 into 1 into next one. Second of 0 by
1 by
1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1,
0
no?
by 1.
0 by 1
8.
means which one? 8, huh? 0 by
8.
1. Yeah, 8, right. So 8 is the output. Okay, fine. Next, 8 plus, next time, K will become
Next
incremented or
time.
not? K is
Yes.
incremented, huh? K becomes 1. Now
K is
tell.
1.
0 by 1. 0 by 1,
2
what is there? 2 is there. 2 into, 2
into
into,
5.
uh, 2 into 1 by 1. 1 by 1, huh?
5.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
1 by 1. 1 by 1 means what is there? 5 is there. Yeah. Now tell. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 8, 18.
Yes, sir.
Now 18 plus.
8.
Next
3
time
into
K is
2.
2. K is 2. 1 by, sorry, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means what is there? 3
3.
is there. 3 into
3 into 2.
3 into K
2.
is what? K is 2 2, yeah, 2
K
by
is
1, 2
2.
by 1, 2 by 1, what is there?
2.
Second row first column, second row first column, 2 by
Sir.
2 by 1, 2 by 1,
2
into
by.
second of 2 by
Yes,
1,
sir. 2 by
2 by
1.
1, what is there? 2
Yes, sir.
by 1, 2 means second row,
Yes, sir.
second row first column, what is there? Tell. Second row first column, second row first column, 5 or not 5, what is there?
Second.
2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1 position, what is there? 2 by 0, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 5 is there, na? 5 is there. Again 5 is coming. Previous value is somewhere you went wrong here.
2 by 1. 2 is there, sir.
2 by 1 means what is there? Second row
2,
is
sir.
what? 2. 2 will come. Yeah, not 5. 2. 2
Yes.
means the 0, 1, 2, na? 3, 2, 1 is the row, na?
Sir.
3 into 2. So what? 6,
Yes, sir.
6 plus 8? 6 plus
6 plus
8.
18.
6 plus 18. Sorry, 18. How much?
24.
24.
24.
Okay, fine. 24. 24 you got. Okay, you record that 24. Now multiply
Yes.
off. You come outside, na? Multiply
Yes.
off 0 by C is 0.
0 by
D
0.
is D is 1, na? D is 1, no?
C is 0.
C is 0. D is 1. 0 by 1, what
Yes,
should
sir.
come? 24 should come.
Yes.
Remaining also like that. What I am saying is you normally multiply in mathematics. How you do this? In maths, how do you do this?
Okay.
1 into 9.
9
First row
into.
into first column, na? 1 into 9
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 into 6,
2 into 6.
plus 3 into
Yes.
3. What is the output? Tell me. 9 plus 12
30.
plus 9. How much? 30. You got first value
Yes,
correct?
sir.
First value is perfect. Second value, first row into second column. 1 into 8 plus 2 into 5
2,
plus
5.
3 into 2. How much? 8 plus 10
24.
plus
Yes, sir.
6. 24. Perfect. Like that only. Like that, na? You can guess
Yes.
the other iterations also. But in examination, it is very difficult to understand. Na? You have to remember those three loops. But
Yes,
time
sir.
is taking. Na? If you keep on going like this, time is taking. That's why during examination only, you have to remember those three for loops. Otherwise, normally you can do like this. You will
Yes.
understand? Yes, that is a technique. Now you got it. So
Yes, sir.
finally, multiply CD, what is there inside multiplied CD, all the elements are stored now with respect to
Yes.
their positions. And finally, the same thing you are displaying. Multiply CD, you are going to display, I think. See, multiply CD, yeah, multiply CD. You are displaying it or not?
This display.
That's
Yes.
it. That's it. Nothing great. Over.
Okay.
Understood now? I think you
Understood.
got problem only in those three for loops. Huh?
Yes, sir.
That is a logic already designed. We should be able to understand. One time we have to understand. From second time onwards, if in exam it is going to come, difficult to write, difficult to develop logic of our own. That's why you have to remember those three steps and that formula you have to remember. Got it?
Oh,
How it is working? Sum is equal to sum plus, that you know already. First matrix will come, then second matrix will come. That is also okay. How to remember inside those positions? C by K. How it is organized? See the technique. How can you
yes,
remember?
sir.
First C, first for loop.
C,
Outside for
K,
loop, what is there? C. And then
C,
inside for loop, what is there?
inside K.
C by K. Yeah, C K combination you have to take. Multiplied with, because you have to multiply na. And that you have to
Yes,
sum afterwards. Second matrix K by D. C K okay. K D. The remaining one is there na. You start from C, C by K. Next matrix K by D. That's it. That is the
okay.
formula. Which formula you have to remember? We cannot derive that here. We have to remember. Then we can understand the iteration, how it is moving. Inside iteration, we can understand likewise.
Yes,
Okay, that's how it works. And some examples I will give as assignment. You try to do like upper triangle, lower triangle, sum of middle elements. Huh? Can you try those things?
okay, sir.
I will give some
Yes,
assignment at the maybe tonight. I will give after 9:30 p.m. I try to give. Tomorrow morning you can
okay.
see. Tomorrow morning you can
Yes,
check your phone. You'll get some
okay,
assignments.
sir.
You have to solve those programs and
Okay, sir.
screenshots will be there. Na? Screenshots you can send to me, whichever you have
Yes,
done perfectly. That is tomorrow's tomorrow. You are having some work for that. And shall I move to the next concept?
yes,
We
sir.
can do all of those. If any program is not coming, you can bring it to my notice. I will check that. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, fine. Now we will do some miscellaneous. Actually, I thought of discussing about call by value, call by reference. Very important thing. We will see that. But before that, some miscellaneous programs are there. Let us complete those miscellaneous. Like continue these things we have done. Data types we have done. I think
yes,
these things we can do. No problem. No issue. This one also you can do. Different ways of initializing a string.
yes,
You can see this is also very simple. You can do this also. Nothing in
yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah. LEF. Double. That also you know. Data type. That also you know. Doesn't require. Definition section. I have to talk about definition section. In the beginning structure of program, we discussed about definition section, isn't it?
Yes,
Uh, uh, Link section, definition section will be there after link section, straight away after link
okay,
section,
sir.
definition section. You can see in this program, hash define dollar. So that is the way to define. I want to define dollar equal to so and so price. This program is defined way back. At that
Okay,
time, dollar price is like something like that,
yes,
60.50. You need not write any data type also. Directly you can
okay,
write, but don't put is equal to in between. So many students are going to put is equal to, then they will get mistake.
yes,
And don't put semicolon also at the end. You leave like that. So that what is happening
why?
inside that, you are getting that dollar or not? What is the
Yes,
output?
sir.
60.50 is the output. So what
60.50.
is the advantage
Sir,
of doing like that? I will ask you one question, one important interview question in C language. So I can do this inside main function also. Why I am doing like this? Same thing I can do inside main function also now. Here also I can
yes,
declare a float like this now. Do you
above,
your dollar is equal
above
to,
CLRS here.
sorry, KOCLRS here. This is C now. Yeah. And yeah, I'm taking C++ also. That's why at times I may go wrong.
Okay,
Dollar, sorry, data type is float now.
yes,
I can do like this, float dollar is equal
equal
to 60.0,
to
like this. So I can do like this. Why I am doing like that? Tell me. What is the use? Somebody may ask you. So what is the advantage of taking constants in a definition section? Generally in definition section, we go with constants. You know constants, pi value. What is pi value? 22 by 7. That is
Yes.
3.415.
1 4.
1415, something like that. Similarly,
Yes.
acceleration due to gravity, constant or not?
Yes.
Acceleration due to gravity, 9.8 meter per second square, isn't it?
Yes.
So such constants we go with the definition section. So hash define dollar value 60.50 I have written. Now the advantage in doing so is that you can see hash symbol there, hash. Hash means what? Pre-processor director. You are directing your CPU in advance. Advanced booking. Advanced booking is always
Yes.
better option or not? If you want to watch a
Yes.
movie or catch a train or catch a flight, advanced booking is better option or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, advanced means you are reserving some space, you are defining. See,
Okay.
hash means pre-processor director. You are directing your CPU in advance to define dollar as 60.50. Means some space is reserved for that or not
Yes.
in advance. So if you reserve your ticket, what is the advantage? See, for example, tomorrow
We.
you want to come to Vijayawada from Chennai. Okay,
Yes.
you have booked a flight ticket one day before, so that maybe from your house to airport it takes 1 hour. 1 hour it takes
Yes.
hardly. So is it advantage or not? So that today, for example, after 1 hour flight is there, now itself you can start now. You need not
Yes.
take any ticket or something like that. You can go ahead in advance. But
Okay.
check-in and these things will be there. Just 2 hours before it will be enough. But if you have not reserved your ticket on a study, then you should go early or not.
Yes, sir.
Means which is better? Reserving is better or not?
Reserving. Yes.
So that is hash means you are reserving your space in memory. For what? For a dollar. Dollar should be always considered as 60.50 only. Like that, you are directing your CPU in advance to reserve space for dollar. Got it? Got that point?
Sir,
Yeah.
why to do it in advance? We can also
That's
do
what
it
I'm telling.
before
Yeah,
code.
that's what I'm telling. If you reserve space like that, the rate of execution of the program will be fast. Got
Oh,
that? If you define in
okay.
constant definition section, if you define constants in definition section, the rate of execution of the program is fast. Got that point? The rate of, I'll write here otherwise, wait. The rate of execution, rate of execution. These are small programs, but in real time, thousands of lines of code will be there, no, in software.
Yes.
For designing operating systems or something like that. So thousands of lines of code will be there. If you write thousands of lines of code, if you are not defining constants in the definition section, your program speed will come down. So if you want to increase
Oh,
the speed of execution, wherever constants are there, if you define earlier in the definition section, so that the rate of execution of the program will be fast, will be fast,
yes.
will be fast when will be fast
If we define
when we when we
define
define constants, when we define constants in the definition section.
definition section.
Yes, that is the meaning of that. It's a macro actually. Whenever you write hash, what is the meaning of hash? Hash means
Yes.
macro. Macro means memory allocation technique. Memory
Okay.
allocation technique. Okay, understood this?
Yes.
And what about execution? Let me execute this. Errors. What is the error now? Why you defined like that? It is asking. Is it not?
Okay.
So I
Yes.
will put one comment here. Yes. Now no problem now. Now it has executed. Fine. Otherwise, if I put comment there, this will also give same result. But here you cannot see small programs, same speed you will get. You can see fraction slower if you don't give in definition section that which a human eye cannot catch. Okay,
Okay.
that is a difference. Now
Sir,
let us.
we did not. Uh, I mean, no data type is given for dollar, no, sir.
No problem. Even though no problem, it will take by default. If you give in definition section, no problem. It will allocate whatever data type you take, not only integer or decimal, even string or character, whatever you take there, it will assign automatically. It is an automatic process. Implicitly, data type is given. Implicit. As a programmer, you need not give any
Okay.
data type. Okay, it worked or not? Worked now?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, one more we will see like that. Definition section. Yeah. Is there, I think, yeah. Def two. Ah, this is just now which we have done. Okay, okay, okay. Def three we have to see. Yeah. See this one. See this Boolean. Boolean types of
Yes.
data. I have gone with true means one. False means
Zero.
two constants
Yes,
I
sir.
have defined. Both are constants. Always true means one.
Yes,
False
sir.
means zero. So obviously the output is value of true.
One.
True means one. False means
One.
zero. False means zero.
Zero.
That's it. Great. That's it. It works like that. Sorry. Next one. See this. You know this also very simple. Nothing great. Nothing great.
Yes.
You can do better program like pi r square. Huh? You try that one. You make a note of that. Pi r square 2 pi r.
Okay, sir.
Where pi you have pi means you need not give symbol pi. You can take pi. How to write that?
Okay.
Hash define pi pi.
Pi.
Pi means pi. Hash define pi. Don't write is equal to. Give some space
3.1.
and write 3.1415. And inside main function, you find the area of a circle, circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. All these
Okay.
things you can find. Fine. Okay. Next, definition section is also over. Next, global declaration section. Also, I will speak. Global declaration section is also there now. That later on I will speak. Design again takes time. Ternary, we have seen all these things now. Shift F4, escape. Escape characters we have seen. Okay, 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 okay. One more I thought of discussing. What is that? Not really.
Call.
Call by value, call by reference. I will talk. Wait. C large. What is this C large to? Command line arguments. I thought of this because time is very less. Tomorrow I will talk
Yes.
about call by value, call by reference. Command line
Yes.
arguments is there one more concept called as command line arguments. See this program. Try to understand this. Before this, another program is there. I think. Wait. C large one. C large one. This one. See this one first. So main function is written int argc, argc char argv. First
Yes.
one's data type is, see, first time you are seeing inside main function you are seeing parameters, is it not?
Yes, sir.
They are called as parameters. What are those parameters? Argc and argv. Okay.
Yes.
So argc is of type int and argv is of type char.
Care.
And moreover it is a pointer also. Pointers later on I will explain.
Yes.
Till then remember that it is a pointer. It is predefined. You have to write like that.
Okay.
Main function you have to write like that. See how to pass command line arguments. I will let you know. Long way back I have done this. Let me check where to pass arguments. Some special area is there where to pass these. Before class I did not check this. Yes, here it is. Can you see arguments?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? You click on that. Now First time I am not typing any arguments. I have not typed. I just executed this program. So what is the output? What is the output?
One argument
Means what? See, means I have not typed any argument. Means argument is equal to zero.
zero.
Zero na? Yeah. See,
Yes.
if argc double is equal to 2, false. False na? Because argc
Yes.
is equal to 0, integer, 0. No argument is typed from keyboard. So else if will be executed. In else if what is there? It is also false. So else path
Greater
will be
than
executed. What is the else path?
one argument
One argument expected. Now this time I am going to send one argument. It is asking one argument. I will type one, only one. Or you can not only in numbers, you can type anything like Ravi. I am typing Ravi. I am saying okay. How many arguments I passed? Only one. Na? Now I am running the
yes.
program. See, the argument supplied is, you got it or
Ravi.
not? The argument
Yes.
supplied is Ravi. How do you get this? How many arguments we passed? Only one argument we passed.
Yes.
Isn't it? First, if condition fails,
Fail.
failed, na?
Else
Is
if also
else if it
yes.
also failed,
Fail.
so else path should be executed. One argument expected. You got that or not? The argument supplied is Ravi. We are getting that. Wait. Somewhere I have written that. I think. Wait. The argument, yeah, here itself. Argc is equal to 2. If argc is equal to 2, you have to get that. But one argument I typed na. One argument I typed. But see, if you type one argument, already zero argument will be there. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Right, understand? Means one argument I typed means it is equal to 2. You understood that point?
Okay.
See, already one argument will be there by default. You have to remember that already one argument will be there by default. One argument will be there. What is that argument? You know, program
No,
name.
sir.
Program name is there, na?
Okay.
C large. That is the first argument. You want to see that? Wait. I will do one thing here. I will write 0 here. You want to see the first argument?
Yes.
Yeah, because argv1 is equal to the one which I typed. Ravi, I typed na. I typed Ravi or not?
Yes.
It is
Yes,
reaching
sir.
which position? It is reaching which position? Argv of 1
One.
or 0? First
One.
position. If I write like this, it is showing the output as Ravi because Ravi is located in which position? Argv of
RGB of one.
one position. So if I write 0, what will happen? Now see this. Now see this. Tell me. Tell me. The argument supplied is
One supplied.
C colon TC slash source slash, what is the program
C
name?
large one.
The program which you executed. Is it not? Executable
Yes,
file.
sir.
I told na, source code you save with .c extension. Then when compiled, you are going to generate .obj file. When you are executing, you are going to generate .exe
What
file.
is
So the executable file is the 0th argument. Please remember.
yes.
The executable. How we got that? By writing argv0. The argument
C.
supplied is argv0. This is default one, but this is the one which we supplied. I will write one more statement, otherwise you can understand. Printf, see what I am doing. The default argument is default argument the default argument is what? Percentage. That also string only. String na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, string. You have to use string
But
only. Slash
slash
n, comma. Tell me what to write?
RGB of 0.
0. Exactly. Perfect. Now we'll get. Now we can save this program. In Udemy, they told this also. Udemy.
No, sir.
What they told? I think 500 rupees or something like that. I think they charge, na?
Yes, sir.
So how the classes
500.
go? How the classes go on there? I don't know. Somebody told to
There
me.
are only videos are there, sir.
Only
We
videos.
should. Yes, sir.
Doubts will not be clarified. Huh?
No, sir.
Only predefined videos. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Interaction will not be there. It seems.
No, no,
Then it is waste. Paying is waste. Then interaction should be there, na?
yes, sir.
Then only you can get. You have to sit down and you have to write code of your own along with the person who is teaching you. So here you understood this point. RGB of 0, that makes a difference. Means what? I can make a comment. I will make one comment, then you can understand here clearly. What is that comment? I will send you this program later on. That is, what is that?
Okay.
The default
The zero
argument,
expression.
the default,
Oh,
default, default argument is present in which location? Is present in ARGB
zero.
of 0 location. And that is nothing but, and that is nothing other than, nothing but what? That is nothing but
Name of the
executable file. The name of the executable file itself. Okay. From next argument onwards, you have to do
what?
second argument. You have to pass through this. I will write one more comment here also. You can understand so that. Wait, I should put brace not here. Here I will put because comment is there. No? This is better. Huh? Now, see here. Yes. After this statement, I will write one more comment. That is itself is the notes. You need not worry for notes. So, what is the next
Okay.
step? What is the next step? The
The next
arguments. The
arguments.
argument should be passed from where? That you should know. No, even I am
From
searching. After a long time, I
yes,
am
sir.
teaching. See, I am searching even in run pull down menu. It will be there. The argument should be be passed
Pass.
from command line. Command line means from where? Means go to click,
Keep
go to run. Go to
yes, sir.
go to run
Run
menu and select
argument.
what? And
Argument.
select. Wait. And select run. In run, what is that? Arguments exactly. Go to run or capital. You can understand. Run menu and select arguments and run arguments and select arguments command and give or otherwise
Argument.
and type whatever arguments we want, whatever arguments we want. That's it. That's the logic. Okay.
Yes,
That is the total logic of this application.
sir.
Now I am going to give three arguments. See, I'll give three arguments this time. Arguments. Ram Gopal Verma I am typing. What you are going to get? How many arguments are there? Three arguments, na?
Three.
Yeah,
Yes.
we will see that. Oh, too many arguments applied. Because what
Uh,
happened? See the
greater
logic. See the
than
logic. Else if greater than 2 means
greater than
too many arguments you supplied. It can't accept.
yes, sir.
It is greater than 2. So I have to modify that. I will again redo that. Varma I delete. What will happen? Now let us check. Again too many. Means that's why in the beginning itself what I am telling, the only one argument
One or
expected. In this program, to this program, only one argument is expected. Don't give more
because
than one.
already one is there.
That's why. That's why. So if you want to give more arguments, I have written one more program. I think. Let me check. I do not remember. Way back I had done that. Let me
Sir,
check.
why arguments are used?
Huh? Because from command prompt, see, for example, see where it is used. Similar programs are there in Java also, C++ also, Python also. The advantage is that, see, if any show is running, picture or anything, or circus or whatever it is, clerk will be sitting in the counter. Huh? She will be giving
Yes,
tickets, not cashier or cashier, whatever you call. So she will be giving tickets to the customers. They will give
yes,
money. They will give money. At the end of the day, owner will come now. How many collections are there? She will execute the program. If you connect this with a database, All the data will be stored na Ram, Gopal, whatever you type, all the data will be saved or not.
Yes.
In such a way, you can design some programs. This is not the exact program for that. You can improvise this and you can create like that. Okay,
Okay.
like that you can do. And one more is there. This one. You just try this one. See, try to understand this. Program name. First, you will get what is the program name? C large 2. C large, C large 2 you will get because it is the executable program now zero position it is there in zero position now. Then if you type same program makes no difference, just modified the previous one I think. Yeah, if I don't type anything, too many arguments applied, but the first argument you are getting now zero argument by default.
Yes.
Yeah, that is a difference. That is a difference. If you pass more arguments, if I want to accept, I have to give here something like is greater than 3. Okay, huh? Now
Yes.
let me check. Let me check. Can I give more? Now can I say okay and try this? One argument expected. Why one argument? Argument is greater than 3, then only too many arguments applied. Else,
Oh,
no. Wait,
sir,
wait,
it
wait.
is not greater than 3 and not equal to 2, no, sir.
I supplied how many?
3.
Wait. Greater than
2.
greater than 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
No, this is also not correct. I think. Too many arguments applied. Why? If args, what are the number of args? Two args are there, but already one more is there.
Yes.
How many are supplied?
It,
Two arguments are there.
2.
If I supply only one,
Oh, then it's
it is working. Wait. Only one the argument supplied is RAM, it is working. Then I will do one thing. Wait. You can redesign this program. I will copy this and do it in another way. Wait. Copy file new paste. We will try in another way. Alter save as C large 3 C large 3 dot C. Okay, fine. Oh, 3 is there. No. Cancel. Alter save as C large 4 dot C. Okay, fine. Now what I want to do is let us modify this code little bit. This is mandatory, compulsory. You can pass. So in this class, what you are learning, you can pass parameters also to main function. Okay, fine.
yes.
If argc is equal to 2, the argument supplied is so and so, you will get okay, fine. Now if argc is equal to 2, is
Greater.
greater than 3, is greater than 2, yes, greater than 2, we have to get here message should be changed, is it not? What should be the message? I have to display that na.
Arguments applied is
The argument supplied is yes, exactly. See, uh, argument supplied is what? Percentage yes, percentage
S.
yes. Slash n. I will use slash n also for readability purpose. Comma argv. I will give both 2 times. Yes, I will give. See, I will explain this. Wait. And percentage. Yes, that looks good, now.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Yeah. Argv of if greater than 2, I can put a for loop also inside. You design
2.
that. You design that for loop. You can give any number of
Okay.
arguments. That should be done. That is your homework. I am doing for just
Yes.
yeah. I'm going with one option is 2, and the other option is greater than 2 means 3 also.
3.
I will give comma argv 0 1 2 1 and 2 I have to give 1 and 2 na 1 here and argv of 2. In case of 2 arguments, this should get executed now. Check this. The argument supplied is ram, only one is there I think. Now let us change that. This fellow is only useful for this only, it seems. Wrong. Yeah, got it. The argument supplied
Yes.
is Ram and Gopal. That's it. Fine, na? Working.
Yes.
You take
Working.
for loop and remodify this code. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, fine. Any more programs? Because call by value, if I talk about call by value, call by reference, total 1 hour minimum required. That's why I'm not going into that today because we started with matrix multiplication. Demo, demo, this is over. Demotion, this is over. I think we have done. Promotion, demotion, we have done. Explicit, we have done. That also we have done. Miscellaneous, any miscellaneous? For loop, we have done. Header file. What is this header file? Without header file also you can write a program like this. Is
Okay.
there any header file in this?
No, sir.
Let me see. If I am clicking Alt F9, it is showing success. Control F9. Output is executed. See, you got output?
Yes, sir.
That is possible without header
Previous
file. Huh?
previous
Abhishek
output
also.
also is
Without header file also we can write a program. But how? We should tell to the system before that, na? How you got? Wait. If I wait, I will copy this same program. Wait. Copy, file, new, paste. Ah, now again, if you don't save this program, it won't be executed. Please remember, I will write a comment. I am not saving this program.
yes,
Huh? I am trying to execute this program. See, what is error? Error is there or not?
yes, sir.
Error is there. What is error? Function printf
Function
should have a
prototype.
prototype. That is the problem. So if you don't save the program, it is going to be a problem for us. So what to do? See the previous program. See, it is saved or not?
Yes.
Header file program. Header file. Yeah, this is the program. So one comment I will write here. What is that comment? If we do not save, if we do not save a C
The
program,
file
if you don't save a C program, then
error
without header file, then
head
without header file, it won't get executed. It won't get
execute.
won't get that is the notes get executed. Without header file to make a program execute, what to do? Without
Save.
without header file to make a program execute what to do?
Save this.
Without header file to make a program execute, we have to save the program. Save the program. We have to save the
Program.
program. That's it. That is the logic. We have to save the program. We have to save the program with
Dot.
extension dot c extension dot c. That is the logic purpose. Understood? That is the logic. So without header file, if somebody may ask you in interviews, this is also important as a C question. So without header file, can you write a program in C? Yes. Don't say no. Majority
No.
people will say no, but you say yes. Yes, I can write a program
Yes.
without a header file also, provided the program is saved. Got it?
Yes.
That's it. That is one more important thing. Any more miscellaneous things need to be covered. And once I start functions, maybe almost 40% is over, 60% syllabus is left. And miscellaneous
Okay.
programs, you do homework. I will check tomorrow.
Yes.
If you can do all those things, then I need not speak about those things. Is it not? You know those
Okay.
things. I will go to the things which you don't know. That is better option, na? Unnecessarily without
Yes,
wasting
sir.
time. Yeah, that is better option. Nested if we tried, nested if.
Nested if
Huh?
no,
No? Yeah, see
no,
this
sir.
program. See this program. Nested if I will give you one sample application. So in this program, I am accepting A, B, C, X from keyboard. Okay, fine.
Yes,
If A is greater than B, if it is true, then only you get inside. If A is greater than C, then only you get inside.
it is.
If A is greater than X, then this part will be executed. Okay, this part will be
Yes,
executed and you are coming out totally after that. That is
okay.
trial 1. Trial 2. If A is greater than B, true, got inside. If A is greater than C, that is also true, got inside.
True.
But if this is failing, innermost else is there na here, this will be
Yes, sir.
executed. That will be executed. Innermost else. Can you see that? This is the
Yes,
innermost
sir.
else. After the innermost if, whatever else is written, that will be executed if innermost if is failing. If innermost if is failing, innermost else will be executed.
Innermost else.
Will be executed. Next case, next
Okay.
another case. See, if if A is greater than B
Yeah,
is true, you
true.
get inside. But if middle if is failing, middle if is failed, middle if failed, then middle else should be executed now.
Yes, sir.
So where middle if started? It started here. Where is the closing of middle if? You have to find the closing of middle if. It will be here. This is the closing of middle
Close.
if. Middle if is
Yes,
closed. Middle if is
close.
closed. So this is the middle else, is it not? This is going
Yes,
to be the middle else. This is the
middle else.
yes middle else. Understood this logic?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let us name them. Then you can easily understand. Now you are easily understanding if I name them. This is the outer. This is
If
the outer if. And what about this? This is the
middle is.
yes if. And then this is the inner if. Okay. Now how many trials we have done? INN. Yes. INN. Inner if. Okay. Fine. Now how many trials we have done? First time this success. Inner if success. So this will be the output. Inner if fail.
Yes.
Then if inner if is going
Else.
to fail,
Inner else.
inner else will be executed. This is the inner else. Okay, I will write here. This is the
Yes.
inner else. Inner else will be executed. Next case, middle if failed. Where is middle else? You have to search for middle else. Here is
Yes.
middle else. This part will be
Middle
executed.
else executed.
That will be executed. Now let us assume outer if failed. So where is outer open? This
Out
is outer open. Where is outer closing? See, go for outer closing.
after middle else.
Yeah, here it is. This is outer close. This is outer close. So this is the outer else, is it not? This is the
Yes.
outermost else path that will be executed. That outer else will be executed. Now you understood? Logic, whatever logic is there inside, mathematical logic, but computer logic is like that. So you can club one if inside, another if also. Able to understand that? And the definition section we covered. One more is global declaration section. Next time we will do that. And call by value, call by reference is one important one. We will do that. Nested if, any program, any nested if will be like that only. See, some programs are there. I will
Yes.
send you. You can check these programs, these sort of programs. Shall I close the session with this for today? Hmm?
Yes.
And one more off of the payment is there. No? Is it possible to send today?
Okay, sir. I'll.
Okay, okay. If not today, okay, you can try by tomorrow. If not today, you can try by tomorrow also. No
Tomorrow
problem.
I'll do it.
Tomorrow you can do. Yeah,
Tomorrow I'll
tomorrow
do.
before class,
Yes.
if you can send, it will be good. We'll
Yes.
go at same time, 6 to 7. And tomorrow I'm going to teach very important concept that is call by value, call by
Okay.
reference. And these matrix types of programs you keep on doing. I will send you homework tomorrow morning. I will send you homework at the end of the classes because I have to discuss so many other things. Only
Yes.
40% discussed. Still, call by value, call by reference is there, and then what is that? Type def is there. Structures is there, pointers is there, strings is there. Is it not? Functions is there. Yes or no? Unions is
Yes.
there. Unions is there. Global declaration section is there. These many topics are there. Structures itself is big enough. That is also there. Pointers with structures is there. Pointers with strings is there. Pointers with functions is there. So these are the upcoming concepts. So only 30-40% is over till now. Okay. With this, I am closing
Okay.
this section. Thank you.